The Surface Studio 2 has an 8th generation Intel Core i7-7820 headquarters processor, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics card or a GTX 1070. In addition, with support for 16GB or 32GB of DDR4 RAM. With regard to storage, Microsoft announced two versions, 1TB and 2TB. These changes aim to improve the experience of graphic design professionals, audiovisual producers, artists, among others. The company has incorporated an improved screen with high levels of contrast and brightness that surpass those of its predecessor model, which will be projected on the 28-inch touchscreen with 4500 x 3500 pixels of resolution. As expected by the users, the screen includes support for finger and pen input, as well as for the Surface Dial. The front camera of the Surface Studio 2 is 5 megapixels and includes support for facial recognition powered by Windows Hello, Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth 4.0 and very important, wireless support for the Xbox. Surface Studio 2 has a USB-C port, 4 USB 3.0 ports and also an SDXC card reader.